First off, congratulations! You've formulated your PICO question. That's an awesome first step in your research. Next, you'll want to turn that PICO question into something that you can search with in the library databases that we'll explore. CNOL, Cochrane, and PubMed. Now that you've created your PICO question, it's easy to turn the terms you used to describe the population, intervention, comparison, and outcome into a search string. Even if you have identified a time frame, we don't usually use that part to search. Let's work with this PICO question. In adult female patients with mild depression, population, how effective is fluoxetine or Prozac, intervention, compared to cognitive behavioral therapy, comparison, in controlling mild depression symptoms, outcome? We can start with the population. In adult female patients with mild depression. From that, we can pull the important words depression and female patient. We can add a synonym to female patient like women as well to find additional resources that don't use the exact words female patient. From the intervention, how effective is fluoxetine or Prozac, we could use fluoxetine and Prozac. From the comparison, compared to cognitive behavioral therapy, we can certainly use cognitive behavioral therapy and CBT, but we could pull in very similar types of therapies like cognitive therapy. From outcome, in controlling mild depression symptoms, we can use control, as well as synonyms like recover and improve. Once we've identified those words, we have to join them together to create a search string that we use to search in nursing databases. To format the words into a search string, we have to join them with Boolean operators and modifiers. This is things like and, or, and not, and punctuation marks like parentheses and quotation marks. Let's start with our first set of keywords: depression, women, and female patient. We would want to format those as depression and, parentheses, women or female patient, in parentheses, since we're looking for results that include both women or female patients and depression. We use the parentheses when we list things using or in order to join them together to other keywords with and or not. For our next set of keywords, the ones relating to intervention, we have fluoxetine and Prozac. Since they are synonyms, we can simply join them together with or and put parentheses around them so we can join them to our previous string about population. So this far we have depression and, parentheses, women or female patient, in parentheses, and, parentheses, fluoxetine or Prozac, in parentheses. With comparison, we have the same situation. We have a list of related terms we can join with or and place in parentheses. In this case, we have parentheses, cognitive therapy or cognitive behavioral therapy or CBT, in parentheses. Our whole search string thus far looks like depression and, parentheses, woman or female patient, in parentheses, and, parentheses, fluoxetine or Prozac, in parentheses, and, parentheses, cognitive therapy or cognitive behavioral therapy or CBT, in parentheses. Our last part is outcome. Just like previously, we can list our synonyms, put parentheses around them, and add them to our whole search string. But we may want to add asterisks for this one. For outcome, we have parentheses control or recov asterisk or improv asterisk, in parentheses. We subtract the end of words and add an asterisk if we want to search for any ending of that word that could have multiple related endings. In this case, we do that for recover and improve so that we can find items with recovery or recovered or improve or improved as well. in this case, we do that for the words recover and improve so that we can find items with words like recovery or recovered or improvement or improved as well. So our final search string is depression and, parentheses, woman or female patient, in parentheses, and, parentheses, fluoxetine or Prozac, in parentheses, and, parentheses, cognitive therapy or cognitive behavioral therapy or CBT, in parentheses, and, parentheses, control or recov, asterisk, or improve, asterisk, in parentheses. So now that we have our search string, we're ready to search with our PICO question, and we can be more confident that we're on the path to finding the information we're after. Thanks for watching.